between the house and that one tree. Oh, tree in the road, tree in the road.
Tree in the road, tree in the road. This is Autobahn by Maple Street, which we can't go down because if you can see, it's blocked off by a tree. I moved. Okay, so now we're down on Maple. Really, Becca? Really?
Tree down, tree down.
We're on Rudolph. Oh, they got stuff blown all over the yard. A little bit of your tree down over there. Lots of debris from these trees back here. Messy roads. Gonna be a lot of cleanup.
Becky, get out and put it in the back of the car.
My family does not steal street signs. There's a little bit of a tree down over there.
Oh, that's a tree then. So
yeah, that's that one we saw before. Some messy roads. I wonder who cleans these roads. Is it the city that does this? Or do people have to come out and do it? I don't know.
There's a tighten that we saw over there.
What?
Tighten.
Can't imagine what a dog thinks in all this weather. Whew.
Thinking that we're going to get a lot of flat repairs tomorrow.
Yeah, probably. Hopefully not on my car.
Well, don't worry, because it'll be free. We're giving out free flat repairs for the next few days.
Oh, are you really? Oh.
It's
See that? Firestone is giving away free flat repairs. Is that just local or?
It's gonna be advertised.
Here's some more wires down from the house, and there's a street sign.
It's gonna be advertised in all the areas where the storm is hit.
Oh, okay, cool.
Because we do care.
Do you care? You're talking about Sears Auto Repair?
Oh, another tree down.
Oh, that's a big one.
We're gonna go down.
Okay, we're gonna reverse, and just for the record, it's not Sears Auto Repair, it's Firestone. Holy macaroni! That is a big tree.
How did I pick them up?
Oh my lord! They have to chop it up, honey. They don't pick it up. Oh my god! Check that out! Wow. Okay, hold on. Pull out a little bit.
This power's gonna be out for a while.
Oh my god, yes it is. Wait, let's go. Whoa. That's crazy. Can you see it? Oh my lord. Okay, we're gonna turn around now. Alright, with that, I think we're gonna end our coverage unless we see something really crazy. Okay, did you just see that homeless person? That was like so bizarre and random. Down a residential street.